Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw Luffy from One Piece together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw a semicircle for the head and then the locks of hair. Trace the line of the face and draw the ears with two semicircles. Now draw two semicircles and a circle inside it for the eye. Draw a slanted line for the eyebrow. Then draw the second eye. Draw a small vertical line and a pointed one for the nose. Draw the mouth and teeth. Then draw the scar on the cheek. Trace the inner line of the ears. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Draw two vertical lines for the neck and the strands of hair at the back of the neck. Now draw the head with a big circle. Draw a semicircle for the top of the head and a curved line for the band. Draw the outline of the shirt . Then draw two horizontal lines for the bones under the neck, the collarbones. Trace two vertical lines in the center of the chest and the scar. Draw a horizontal line to close the design of the base. And draw a few small lines on the head to give a hint of the stroke. Wow! Our Luffy turned out great! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eyes and hair. Pink for the skin. Use a darker pink for the scar. Now take the ochre color and color the hat. And use red for the headband and shirt. Excellent! Our pirate Luffy is ready to set sail. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!